What is Updog? Updog is it originated from like some dude saying, "Yo, what's up, dog?" And the guy who was probably like saying it to was like, "I don't know what's up, dog," because like, it, what's up, dog? But like, now it's like, "Yo, what's up, dog?" And then like, yeah, but like, really, what is up, dog? I mean, like a dog that's up, like a high dog. You know, is up dog? Has up dog secretly been a laced dog this entire time? Maybe, maybe. I don't know. Do they make dognet? You know, maybe up dog was the friends we made along the way. You know, like, what if Updog? What if we are Updog? Like, I am Updog. You are Updog. What if everything is Updog? What if everything is Updog? Or what if he meant it literally? What is Updog? Like, there was a dog up, and like, what is dog up? Like, like, I don't know, man. It could be a lot of things. But I like to imagine that what dog is within all of us. We are up dog. We are up dog. Yes.